Today I'm gonna do another burp contest thing. Okay, so wait one sec. I need to do something really quick. Sorry about that, you guys. I need to do it again. One sec again. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you like my burps, and also comment. Bye.